Let's move to the next section, that is FAQ. We will add a main container. We'll go here. Let's add okay, first we will add this tag. We will just copy and paste because we already designed it and you know how we did this. So we will just add them here. Let's do it FAQs, and yes, we will change the icon. Question mark, we will use that, and title we will use this one. Oops. We can use this title here. We will add it here in the hiring. Then we have this description. We will copy it. Okay, let's make it layout and center. Let's go back, copy the description, diffuse its styling, and let's add it here. We can add it in the code as well. So this is added. Let's go and add the FAQ widget. We will add from here. We will select FAQ. Okay, this widget is not available. It's not free. So we can use accordation. Okay. So now what we will do, we will just simply we will open it. We will add the first question, or here you can see I will just paste it here. This is added. So now we will add its answer here. We will add the okay, what we will do, we will go in the widgets and text editor. We will put it here and we will copy the text answer. We will add it here in the code. So if there is any styling, that will be diffused. So this is added, you can see, and we can keep on adding. If we have more than 3, we can just duplicate them and we will keep on adding. Let's add the next question. I added 6 questions and with their answers here you can see. So now let's make it style. Let's see. First we will see on the front end how it's looking right now. We'll refresh the page and here you can see this is the. So now we will style it. Let's go here. Right now if you see that the whole content is on the left side and this whole side is just empty below this hiding and everything. So first we'll go here and we will fix this issue by, we'll go to the main section and we will reduce its size, its width. So now it is good. So let's see after the container and here. Now what are the options available? After the layout we have some position options like this one, alignment, and this one. So we will take it this one. Icon position we can do this way. I think this will work. This will look beautiful if I use it this way. Yes, we will keep the icons here. So let's go. And what are the next step? Yes, from here we can enable FAQ schema, because it will be search engine friendly. Search engine will know that this is the FAQs. These are the FAQs. Now additional instructions. Let's see. No, we will. Okay. Actually I don't want all caps. I don't want any of them by default open. Yes, now this is good. By default this is closed. All are closed by default. So let's go here and see what are the more options we have in style options. First of all, the spacing, we need space in this. And after that we have some options like radius. So yes, we will keep border radius 10, and we will do some more settings inside the, yes, when it is active I don't want, first I'll make it solid, 2 pixel by default, and when it is open it should be solid, and we will go here, unlock it, and yes, bottom, I removed the bottom radius. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll go here in the content, and here I will see this border, and border width should be 2, and I don't want top border. Now you can see this border is removed, and I want 10 radius border, 10 radius border. Let's see on the front end how it looks. Refresh. Here you can see now, yes, this is looking good now. Now let's see, make some, add a color when it is active. I'll go here on the active, I'll add a color, background color, which I want to add this one, and yes, same for the content. I will go here in the content, and when it is active I'll do it color 6, save it. Let me know. Right now this is looking this, there is no color inside it. Let's refresh because we just added. Here you can see now it has a color. It should also have color. Okay, this is the border color, we will keep it this way. Here is the background color. From here we will add the background color 6, save, and now we will refresh. Here you can see this is looking good. Next, what we can do, we have some other options. I'll show you. In the header we have the options like we can change the header color. Okay, maybe active color we can make it this way, and yes, let's do it. Let's check on the front end, refresh. Yes, this is good. And we have more options like we have the icons. Here we will go, and this icon color should be, there should be an option that, yes, in the header. So yes, this is the icon color, and we need it to be this color. So let's check on the front end. Right now it is black. Now it is okay. Blue is also not that way. Let's do it. Let's check, refresh. Yes, now this is good. Hover color and active color will be blue, and normal color is this. So we have another option like we can change the icons as well. We'll go in the content, and from here this is the icons. and from here we can change the icons. Let's angle, let's make it this, insert for the plus and angle, then where is up above? Here up angle. So here you can see I like plus and minus signs, but I just show you, just tell you about the possibilities that these can be changed. That's why I changed them. Okay, so let's yes, we need to change this. Why it's so narrow? Let's see on the front end. Good. We need to add some padding here. We'll go here, main section, advanced, layout, unlock the padding and give it bottom padding 80. Here you can see. Let's see on the front end. And now our landing page is completed. Here you can see, here we have the hero section. After that we have this we can say value strip, or then we have services. After that we have choose a plan, pricing tables, then we have testimonials. After that we have FAQs and then footer. So our landing page is completed. Now next we will go for about page.